Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a cleaning hack. In these days that we own so much technology, we really need to know how to clean them properly. Instead of buying expensive tech cleaning products, I want to show you what you can use. A DIY eco-friendly homemade cleaning product that not only cleans but disinfects too. Mix together equal parts of water and rubbing alcohol, put them in a spray bottle, and that's it. Spray it on an absorbent microfiber cloth and you can clean all your tech items, computer screens and keyboards. Look how shiny my keyboard is now. Phones, even the exterior of your laptop, mouse and mousepad, cables, computer holder, etc. Be careful not to oversaturate the microfiber cloth with the solution. You only need a little bit. The cloth has to be just a little bit damp. Otherwise, you can ruin your computer, especially if moist get into your keyboard. I've been cleaning my screens and tech items like this all my life and has never happened to me, but I know that it could if you use too much solution. Use it to clean TV screens, even different kind of remotes. Here I show you I clean my TV remote, sound system one and AC remote. Here I clean my bedroom TV screen and remotes. I want to show you that if the screen gets too moist, you can immediately use another dry cloth to buff it dry. Now all my TVs are dust-free, disinfected and sparkling clean. No need to buy expensive cleaning products. Just use this mixture. It's very important to clean and disinfect our phones, remotes, computer, because they are things we always touch, so they have so many germs. All electronics are at our fingertips at every turn, and our fingertips are both boarding and landing sites for a wide variety of germs. This is why our electronics need frequent cleaning and disinfecting. A good rule is to clean them once per week or more frequently, especially if you or others are sick. Of course, they have to be unplugged or turned off when you clean them. Your headphones and earphones are some of the closest things to you. Aside from being coated in sweat and wax, they could be grimy and full of bacteria. Same for AirPods, earbuds, etc. Don't forget to go over any wires or cases too. There's really nothing that you cannot clean with this solution. Chargers, monitors, gaming items, cameras, smart speakers, fitness trackers, smartwatches, smart bands, you name it. On my channel, I did a lot of videos like this. If you want to learn how to clean pretty much anything, I will link at the end my cleaning hacks playlist. It will help you clean faster and easier. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!